So ASIC design with multiple RTL partitioning. Okay, so one block. So this is they are telling one file mod1.v, another file mod2.v, mod3.v. So this is an RTL file. Okay, so this is partition means partitioning. You know, na? Partitioning means
That means we can, for example, an 8-bit data. That's different blocks.
partitioning means
module.
architecture, micro architecture. You can
Mm.
say. Okay, so there are some guidelines when you partition logic. Okay, so you should means depend upon company to company. They are having guidelines. Okay, how to partition the logic.
Different company, different procedure.
Means procedure means there are some common guidelines also. Okay, so you can use that thing. You should use that common guidelines. Fine.
Yes.
So they are telling that ASIC design with multiple RTL partitions. Okay, so they are telling this is the partitioning. So different blocks. Partitioning means different blocks simply. Okay. Now coming to this, any problem related to mixed RTL and gate level simulation. Okay, so you see here, this is an RTL always at passage of clock and neck edge of reset. So they are telling that they are using here they are not using some delays. Okay,
How we using RTL and gate level simulation?
how
Which time we use?
RTL plus
Gate level we can get in after simulation,
after synthesis.
after synthesis.
Okay,
Then how we can use that one in?
no, what you have to do, suppose you are working in model sim. Okay,
Mm.
you synthesize your result. Okay, you have to bring libraries, you have to port the libraries and your SDF file. Okay, from that to that model sim simulator, and you have to enable the switches in the model sim to do gate level simulation.
That file we can save in a different.
I'm not getting that file.
That means tick include type we can paste that file
Here,
in between that block, two module.
tick include.
Module 1 and module 3.
Okay, module
We
1
can paste that gate level in
in what
tick include that module name. We can paste that.
okay, how you connect?
Mm.
It's already connected na this.
But gate level.
Okay, okay, okay. Definitely that port list will not change. Okay, there is no change in the port list. Port list is same. Inside logic that will generate, right? Port is simply through which you can communicate. Okay, that is a port, that is a wire, you can say. So inside that logic is generated. Okay, so port list will not change, just normal instantiation you will do, right? See,
What is the difference between the gate level? We can implement that
no,
in
no, I will tell you.
RTL.
Suppose there are three files, right? It's 3 files. So 3 files you modeled in Verilog. Okay, and after that you implemented one top. Okay, so in that top all the 3 files are there,
Yes.
right? Now we were telling that now what I am doing, I have synthesized only one module. Okay, one module, so I got gate level netlist. Okay, so what I need to do what I need to do means I have to simply place this file there. Okay, port list name will not change.
Okay.
Okay,
3 modules.
okay,
This is synthesis.
synthesize, right?
Okay. Then we can again this 3
Okay, what I will tell you to see 3 modules are there. Okay, you are telling. So forget gate level simulation. Before that you have to integrate one top, right? And you have to simulate,
Yes.
right? Now what I am telling that you so you have connected everything, right? So this is the name D and this is name as D1. Okay, this is D2 and this is D3. They are connected. Okay, now what will happen? Now I am synthesizing this module,
Yes.
so I will get some netlist.v.
Yes.
Okay, I have to bring that file. Now what are the files are there? mod1.v, mod2.v, mod3.v. Okay, now I get gate level netlist for this. So instead of this I will get mod g.v,
Yes.
but port name should not change, na?
Yes.
So instead of what I will do, I will directly remove this
Yes.
and I will plug this module here. It will automatically take.
Mm.
Module name is not changing here.
Yes.
For instantiation only module name is required, right? And the ports are required.
Yes.
See how to connect. So suppose you take counter. How to connect? Counter, right? You will instantiate with name. Okay.
Yes.
Only for connection ports are required.
Okay, yeah.
You don't think inside that logic is generated.
Okay, okay. Then after synthesis, this mode G will get we can instead of
Right.
that one
That.
only.
Okay.
In that case.
Don't include that RTL file. Include that gate level file.
Okay. Any advantages in that we can connecting that gate level simulation?
People will troubleshoot some problems. Like I have not seen real, but they will fix some problem pertaining to negative setup time, negative hold times. Huh?
We are trying.
So we can try, but for that we need library here. Library, we don't have library. Or if that tool is integrated with us, synthesis tool, like if you are having model sim with synthesis tool, Xilinx, then you can run gate level simulation in model sim. So you need integration with synthesis tool. Okay. So that right now we don't have that. Okay. For up to simulation, it's okay. This is advanced process, a gate level simulation. Okay. Any problem related to mix RTL and gate level simulation? What they're telling? So this is gate level model they are telling. Mod 1, mod 2, setup time of 1.3 ns and T hold of 0.6 ns they're mentioning. Okay. So mod 2 VG. So this is see before that it was mod 2 dot V, right? Now they are telling that VG.